Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to tell you that how can you enable NVIDIA DLSS graphic in your PC, in your laptop. So how can you perform this action on your PC? I'm telling you the steps because I don't have any PC or desktop right now present at my table, but I'm giving you the steps, the genuine step-by-step guide. How can you perform this action in your PC and how can you activate your NVIDIA DLSS? So for that, the first step is to update your GPU first on your computer. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience on your PC drivers and click on the download button in the middle of the screen, and then you can clearly, after downloading, you can install it, and here you will update. And after that, you just have to download a game that support DLSS. When you download it, you just have to go on the menu option here you can see on the screen, and after that you have to go on the setting. In setting, you will see the option anti-aliasing and super resolution button here, and here from drop down you will click this right option here, and you will select NVIDIA DLSS here, and from here you can select this. After this, you just have to save this setting and your NVIDIA DLSS will be activated successfully. This is the video. Thank you so much.